Welcome to the Transform Your Wedding podcast, a how-to guide for taking your wedding to a whole new level. Here's your host, Marie Kubin from Rent My Wedding.
Hey everyone, today we're talking about party spotlights. This is a really cool type of lighting that's going to add energy to the dance floor. So we'll check out everything that you need to know. First things first, what is a party spotlight? This is a type of light that adds patterns of color and it moves all around the room. Most people use it on the dance floor and it really just adds excitement. This light is also called a moving head. So where should you use a party spotlight in your venue? The dance floor is the best place to use this. It will create those patterns of light all over the dance floor as well as the walls and ceiling, so it really draws people in and gets them out dancing. Next, let's talk about how many party spotlights that you need. So for most weddings, I recommend using 1 or 2. 1 is going to add a nice effect, and 2 is going to make it a really wow effect. You'll see tons of moving patterns and lights, and it's going to look really cool and get people out on the dance floor. If you have a bigger dance floor or you want to get the whole reception venue glowing in color like that, you could actually use 4 of them and put 1 in each corner. Next, let's talk about how to set up party spotlights. So it's actually really easy to set these up. All you have to do is set it on a table and plug it in. That's all there is to it. They actually have pre-programmed light shows, so it's as simple as pushing a button on the remote control to pick whichever light show that you like. So hit show 1 and you can check that out. Hit show 2 and you can see another option. And the really cool thing is that you can also adjust the colors and the shapes. You can make it really customizable, or you can even set it to move to the beat of the music. So as that music has different beats, the lights are actually going to change at the same time. So that's a look at everything you need to know about party spotlights. So last thing, we'll talk about where do you get party spotlights. So of course you can hire a full-service lighting vendor, or you can also rent it online. I definitely recommend that you just rent it online because it's so easy to set up yourself. And that way you can also save a ton of money. So just look for online lighting rentals and check for moving heads or party spotlights. Now if you're renting through my company, Rent My Wedding, here's how it would work. You just go on the website, pick your item, put it in the shopping cart, and then we deliver it 2 days before your wedding. You plug it in and set it up for your wedding, and then afterwards you send it right back in the same box. And the shipping is always free both ways nationwide. So that's a look at party spotlights. I hope you enjoy getting this really fun look for your wedding. And don't forget to check out all of our podcast episodes over at transformyourwedding.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
This podcast is brought to you by Rent My Wedding, your one-stop shop for event rentals. Order online and rentals are delivered right to your door. Shipping is free both ways nationwide. Rent lighting, backdrops, photo booths, and more. With the most 5-star reviews in the industry, Rent My Wedding makes rentals easy and affordable. Book your rentals today at www.rentmywedding.com.